This courtroom session wastes absolutely no time, because what starts as a probation violation hearing quickly turns into one of the harshest reality checks you'll see inside a courtroom. A defendant already given a second chance through deferred adjudication now stands before the judge after allegedly refusing to participate in a court-ordered rehabilitation program. And if you know anything about criminal court, judges do not appreciate when their direct orders are ignored. What makes this case intense is that the defendant was originally facing a robbery charge and had been given an opportunity to stay out of prison. That chance came with conditions: follow the rules, complete required programs, and prove you're serious about changing your life. But now the court is being told she refused treatment. That one decision may cost her years behind bars. And then comes the judge's now viral line: "This is not Burger King. People do not get to have it their way." That statement says everything about what's about to happen. The courtroom mood changes instantly from negotiation to consequences. But this hearing doesn't stop there. Right after that explosive exchange, another defendant appears, this time facing aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. The judge digs deeper, asks about mental health, medications, and future risk, showing the sharp contrast between punishment and concern that judges often balance every single day. So here's the question for you. When someone gets a second chance and refuses help, should the court show mercy or make an example out of them? Stay locked in, because this hearing delivers tough love, hard truths, and serious prison time.
This is not Burger King. People do not get to have it their way. I ordered DDRF, and you don't want to go there.
She did not want to participate.
All right, so you can participate at the prison, but it's not going to.
American Justice Files.
Calling 2023 CR 4230, State of Texas versus Darianne Renee Delarosa. Are you Ms. Delarosa?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Darianne Renee Delarosa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 4230 for the offense of robbery on July 17, 2023 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 56 on or about the 30th day of January 2024 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Darianne Renee Delarosa, the then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations or instructions of the Bexar County Supervision and Corrections Department's duly diagnosed residential facility, and that the defendant refuses to participate with the required program violation number 56.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of 56, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 56?
Yes.
Court will find it true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to keep the individual on her probation or deferred to deny the motion and alter and then require her to attend safety.
Okay. Why is she not going to DDRF? That's my question, because that's what I ordered.
The information that we received from DDR was she did not want to participate.
All right. So you can participate at the prison, but it's not going to be at SAFP. This is not Burger King. People do not get to have it their way. I ordered DDRF and you don't want to go there. So what's going to end up happening? You've been here before. The court is going to find you guilty. Now, how much prison time do y'all want to ask for?
There's a state, maybe requesting 5 years, Your Honor.
I would ask for two, Judge. She's willing to go to safety. She wants to continue with drug court. We would ask that you reconsider and consider safety. We understand that's going to be 9 months long with aftercare. She's willing to do that.
Okay, this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of 56 true. The court will find you guilty. There is to be no contact with Monica Tobias. Court is going to find you guilty. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison. Court will give you credit for any time served. The record. So, Ms. Delarosa, when you're sent to certain programs, I'm not just doing it because, hey, let's just do this for no reason whatsoever. There was a reason you were sent to that program. You do not get to write your own programs. If you could write your own program and be successful at it, you wouldn't be in court. All right, good luck to you. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 7 years in the prison. Then to the offense is charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Your Honor, in the interest of justice, we would ask that the court consider moving forward with sentencing today. Ms. Rios is interested in beginning the process of putting this whole matter behind her.
All right. The court, Ms. Rios has some concerns or questions. Right. Do you have some type of mental diagnosis in your past? What's going on with you?
Yes. Right now I'm on Zyprexa
For what?
for like anxiety and schizophrenia.
Okay. All right. When you're released from prison, do you have a case manager or someone who can help you stay on your medications?
Yes.
All right. All right. I'm going to follow your agreement. I'm going to find you guilty. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. Sentence you to 7 years in the prison. I'll give you credit for any time served. All right. We can go off the record. You're going to have to make sure you stay on your medications because if you come.
What we just witnessed was a powerful example of how judges weigh accountability, rehabilitation, and public safety all in one courtroom session. In the first case, the defendant had already been given the gift of deferred adjudication after a robbery charge, meaning prison was avoidable if she followed the court's rules. But once the judge learned she refused a mandated treatment program, patience ran out fast. Instead of probation, she received 8 years in prison, proving that second chances come with responsibilities. Then in the second case, the tone shifted. A defendant facing aggravated assault with a deadly weapon accepted a plea deal for 7 years, but the judge still took time to ask about mental health, medication compliance, and what happens after release. That's an important reminder that courts don't just punish behavior, they also assess future risk. The biggest takeaway here, choices made outside the courtroom often determine what happens inside it. Do you think the first sentence was fair or too harsh? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
Come back to another felony court. Depending on the nature of the offense, your minimum sentence is going to be 25 years. You understand?
Yeah.
All right. Good luck to you.